ONGC and Oil India have acquired Videocon's 10% stake in the block, in the Mozambique block. ONGC and Oil India in a consortium have signed a definitive agreement to buy that stake. 6% will be taken by OVL, that is ONGC's foreign subsidiary, while 4% will be taken by Oil India. The total sum that the consortium would be paying will be around $2.475 billion, and the acquisition will be implemented via SPV, in which OVL will be holding 60%, while Oil India will be holding 40%. The deal is subject to government approvals and both in Mozambique as well as in India, and is expected to be closed by the end of Q4 FY14. There are quite a few other partners in the block. Just to name, Anadarko is the main operator with the 36.5% in the block. ENH has 15%, Mitsui has 20%, BPCL has 10%, and PTTEP of Thailand has 8.5%. Coming to what this block is all about, Area 1 is the Deepwater Rovuma Basin offshore Mozambique, and it represents the largest gas discovery in the offshore East Africa, with estimated reserves of around 35 to 65 trillion cubic feet. These are recoverable reserves, and we feel that the reservoir quality is very good and is well placed to set up a large scale LNG terminal, which currently the final investment decision is lined up in the year CY13 and CY14, which will actually outlay the investment plans for the various operators or various stakeholders in the block. So this is a pretty large block, and will add to the value for both ONGC as well as Oil India. And there are many more prospects which are yet to be discovered in the block. The exploration activities are on a large scale, and by FY18 the first LNG is expected to be out, and the block has the potential to be one of the largest LNG producers in the world at that time. Just to go back a year, when Cove Energy sold its 8.5% stake at a price of $1.9 billion. Since then, the reserve estimates for the block have been upgraded by 10%, and the third party reserve certification has also been received for its Prosperity field. With additional gas discovered in the block and firmer development plans since the last transaction, the present transaction, that is at 11% premium, seems to be fairly priced. There have been market talks that the deal has been on the expensive side, but that's not what we believe. We feel it's fairly priced. Oil India, which is acquiring 4% in this block, will fund majority of its payout via debt of around $990 million, and this will be dollar denominated debt and will be raised at an offshore subsidiary level. We see this deal as largely neutral for ONGC and oil in the near term, and note that the FID, that is the final investment decision on the LNG project, will bring more clarity on investments outlay for each partner. For BPCL, we believe that the ascription of value to this block is a key event. The deal price, the block is valued, that BPCL's 10% stake is valued at around 195 rupees per share, which is in line with what we have valued that block at. But there are substantial upsides to these estimates because of the potential of the block, and hence we've maintained our buy recommendations on ONGC, Oil India as well as BPCL. BPCL will be our only pick in the OMC space as well. Thank you.